Hello friends, my name is Sujata Satarkar. Today's date is 8 March 2022 and today's Viva topic is exception handling. And exception is a unwanted or unaccepted event, and which is the occurring during the exception is the program. And for example, runtime, that is the normal flow of the executional program, and the program is a insertion, and the exception can be the catch, and catch is the handled by the program, and the program is the exception occur and within the method, and it in the create an object, and it is called as a exception handling. And object is a contain the information about and exception, and such as the same name and the distribution. And exception is the state of the program when the execution occur, and an exception occurring the main return same of the invalid user input, and opening the unavailable file, and the code error, and loss of the network collection. That's why. And what is error? Error is a represent an recoverable condition, and such as the Java Virtual Machine and JVM, and the running out of memory, and the lack of stack, and the overflow, and error library, unability, and the infinite recursion. That's why. And the error and usually belong to the control the program, and the should try. And the error exception, and error is a indicted and the senior problem set is a reusability application. And application is an indicate condition that is a resolvable application might to the try or catch. And exception hierarchy, and the exception is a error type of the subclass to the throwable class, and the throws, and hierarchy, which is the branch of the handle and the exception. And the null point exception, so error is used to the Java runtime system, and they indicate error having the both of the runtime environment, and the stack overflow error, and that's why. And next error is the in the exception and error, and exception types, and exception types is the user defined and blue defined, and user defined is a check exception and uncheck exception. And check exception is a clear not found the exception, and indicted exception, and IO exception, and SQL exception, null point exception, and uncheck exception, arithmetic exception, clear exception, null point exception, array index out of bound exception. That's why. And check exception, and there are belong two types: check exception and uncheck exception. And bleed in the exception is the exception that is the are available in Java, and the example contain error and the mandatory. And unchecked exception, and unchecked exception is a called compile time exception. And because this is the exception is a check to compile time by the user compiler. And second is the uncheck exception, and this uncheck exception using the just positive of to the checked exception, and the compiler is not the check. This is the exception is the compiler time. And simple word is the throw, and uncheck exception, and even every dedicate and handle to the declare, and it's a compilation error. And that's why is a exception is the unchecked exception is a handle to the declare, and the program the compilation error. And user defined exception is a sometime exception is a not the available describe is the content and the user create in the exception, that is called as a user defined exception, and previous complex program executioner. And that's why all about in the exception handling. Thank you.